Welcome back everyone. I'll go and show you how you can fix your iPhone speaker if for some reason the speaker itself is not working unless you're on, your loudspeaker down here. So maybe the earpiece up here isn't working. Now the first thing I would recommend doing is double checking that your earpiece up here is fully functional, but you also want to make sure that your specific earpiece isn't clogged up and just full of earwax and stuff. So what you want to do is right here, there's your earpiece. You want to go ahead and get some type of cotton swab or something, or even a napkin, and just kind of pry out anything you can that's blocking that sensor up there. Sometimes there's a lot of gunk and a lot of buildup over time, and you're going to be in a really good situation if your specific thing up here is actually cleaned out, and as long as it doesn't have a lot of, gunk and stuff in the background, then you're pretty much set. Now, another thing that can happen every once in a while, and I will go ahead and pull up an image of it, is sometimes if you go ahead and have a call like this, you will see that your specific audio thing right here may actually not be on, the earpiece up here, and maybe it's on the speaker. So what you want to do is when you're on this call page, you want to go ahead and click on the audio button here, and you actually want to turn that into your earpiece up here. If that is stuck in your speaker down here, then you're pretty much going to have problems. So here's a bunch of other calls and a bunch of other examples. Now, if that is grayed out, that means that your iPhone pretty much has a problem and you're going to have to update, your specific software, but that's not this video. So what you want to do is click on audio and make sure it doesn't have the speaker one. Just make sure it says iPhone and you will be good to go. Now, as long as your earpiece is working and everything's fine, then you can move on. But if your earpiece you think is the problem, then you're going to have to go ahead and get that fixed before continuing on, because that is pretty much the thing you're going to have to do in order to actually fix this problem. Now, to pretty much, fix everything else, you can go ahead and go into your settings right here. You want to go and click on General, which is right there. You want to click on Software Update, and you want to update your specific software. This is another easy thing you can do to pretty much verify that, hopefully you don't have any more problems going forward. But that is another thing you can do to pretty much fix this specific problem. Now, if nothing else works, you can try restarting your phone, but ultimately you may want to reach out to Apple and have them take a look at your phone at that point. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.